Butterflies out my window.
Welcome to Ray Darten's factory in Lagos, Nigeria. This is where all our beautiful styles and designs are produced. We pride ourselves in unique patterns made with African prints, purchased here in Nigeria.
I think you look so pretty. You look like super.
The first thing that captivates you when you see our outfits are the fabrics. We have a vast catalog of African prints, and we'll pick prints that give a representation of our culture. We also have our embroidery line, where we stitch on plain fabrics, giving the regal dress feel to show off elegance and class. The fabric prints we are looking at has the designs that look like travel marks. Travel marks were used as a form of identification and beautification on the face and body in the past. The travel marks were used to identify a person's tribe, family, or patrilineal heritage. The pattern is created in sizes, then fabric and lining are cut and dresses are produced. The embroidery tailors draw the design on stage and iron the design onto the back of the fabric.
I saw you looking at him, but you're the one I'm feeling. Looking at you 4 times in a row.
After which they turn the fabric and start the actual design. This process takes 2 weeks. When they are done, they pass the fabric to the tailors to sew and finish up with the dress. It takes 3 days to complete one embroidery dress. What am I looking for? Say my God, it don't mess me up. Each dress passes through our quality control unit to verify measurements, check for errors, and finishing of the dress. Once the quality control unit verifies the finishing of the dresses, they are packaged and set for shipping, courtesy of our partners, FedEx. We ship our products weekly. Our utmost priority is ensuring our employees, partners, and customers are fully satisfied and treated fairly. We ensure we treat our employees as professionals in their crafts. And this relationship is why we believe we continue to grow. We hope to keep creating awareness of the rich Nigerian heritage and adding value back to our society in our own little way. Ray Darten, your home to unique African clothing.